What's this town called again? Bishop. Alright. Dear Diary, Adam can go fuck himself. We're in Bishop, California on day 6, believe it or not. Headed towards June Lake. Terrain should get a little more interesting up here, hopefully. But nothing but desert scapes for the past day and a half. What else would you like me to say, sir? Yeah, I'll talk about it more when there's something worth seeing, as well as we're going a little slower. I don't know how well the mic is going to pick me up at 65, 70 miles an hour. Yeah, I'll get some more when we're there, you know. Just wanted to get a little bit of this desert scape as well. Kind of show what we've been going through for the past couple hours here. It's very scenic, but you want to be done with it pretty quick. That looks like a shooting range. Yep. 122 Yosemite open. Thank you for visiting Bishop. Please come again. Yeah, I doubt I'll come again, but you're welcome. Yeah. Alright, popping on some music. Alright. We are 2 miles from June Lake. We are finally in this gorgeous alpine forested type area. Spent the last day and a half just in desert scapes, moonscape looking stuff. It's very pretty in its own right, but it's good to it's good to have a change of pace. It's good to be back in the trees. Low tonight of 31 degrees. We don't have a campsite. We're gonna try and find a campsite, and I don't know if we're gonna do this or not. We may end up moving up the road somewhere else or finding a hotel, because that is cold, and we are by no means prepared for 30-degree weather. But yep, here we are. Oh man, look at that. Oh, just amazing. Oh my god. The trip so far has been long, hard, a lot of work. I think there's some campsites down there. But incredibly rewarding, and it's days like today when you emerge from the desert into the forest, and from the forest into a site like that, that you just absolutely know why you did it. Look at the water. Oh, it's incredible. So I haven't been filming as much on day 6 today, and didn't film as much yesterday, day 5, because at Zion we had limited battery access and couldn't charge things. I got a little bit of charging done in a coffee shop, but that was about it. So cell phone, camera, Cena, all of it was starting to die. Just couldn't get a lot of filming in. Whoa, look at this. Hey, what's up, biker dude? Oh man, incredible. But last night we had a little bit of battery access at the KOA. Oh, there we go. Closed. Let's see what Adam says. What did it say? Oh yeah? Wow. Yeah, there were some campsites I think down at the lake. Like it had a sign for camping. I would almost guarantee those are all taken, but you know, exactly. Yep. Dude, this is a nice little town. This is incredible. Hey, there's a motel. Worst comes to worst. We just need to find a place to camp. Let's see. Maybe there's a spot. 20. Who's in your way? Who's in your way? Oh, he's fine. Oh. Just find a spot, man. This guy looks like a ranger. Oh, I think that's it. Some serious potholes. Holy shit. Well, we got a couple of people in tents. It's just gonna be cold as balls. Number 5's pretty nice because it looks like you can just pull right around. Yeah.